Hello, I'm Joanna or Donna Kleipel from the Netherlands, and I want to go on explaining what I've been doing these last almost 30 years. Yesterday I explained that I dedicated the last 5 years on making a video series, but all the previous years were already a preparation and a preparation and a preparation for being able to do what I'm doing now, making information that was really available for a happy few. Now, for all those who are interested in increasing their frequency, increasing their consciousness, and perceiving another world and knowing who they really are, what they are doing here, and where are we going to, all the basic questions in life. In principle, this work is accessible for anyone as from 7 years old. I've worked already with a lot of children, especially in South America, where they come with their parents, with their grandparents, the whole families come, and they all share this information amongst each other. And the little ones have their friends, and I never accept any child without their parents. The parents have to be there so that the child has a way of talking about what it has learned and what it is coming up with, because slowly they start to remember and to know and understand, and they have to be able to share it, of course. Okay, so that is with all the children. I remember one workshop in Chile that the children were a bit worried at the end of the workshop and said, but what do I say to my friends? Because we don't want to be ridiculous. We don't want... So telling that we were learning to meditate, no way. So at the end, I came up with a suggestion. And what about if you tell your friends and anyone, anyone can do that you learned to use both halves of the brain at the same time, the mental and the emotional parts at the same time. The head is still in duality, but at least you have already an extra value. And once you have learned that, I teach how to connect with your heart, enter your heart, reconnect with your head. And at that moment, the role of your heart and your head is changed. Then the heart will dictate what is going on or what will be done, and the head will execute what the heart says. And nothing that comes from the heart is ever bad. It's always in oneness. So, and the head will do what the heart says. So then everything changes, yeah. And I teach how to increase your frequency. And at the end, perhaps it's nice to remember that we started off as a heart. One cell of father, one cell of mother, together is me, is you, is anyone. And this one cell will double to 2, 4, 8, etc. It's been binary division. And in the beginning, we are just a heart, a throbbing heart. And in a way, you can look at humans as some funny creatures, all walking hearts. But as we grow, then the first thing that comes out of the heart is the tip of the tongue. I won't explain now why and how, and later on the arms and the legs and the head comes out, and we take the heart inside. We really cover it completely inside. And so look at us as funny hearts, walking hearts. So tomorrow we go on. Bye-bye.